Hey baby, how are you? Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I just came out with my new car, Lambo. Yeah, you can see here. Yeah. Yeah, this is my new car. No, I bought it day before yesterday. Definitely, yeah, we'll go for a ride. You like this car? Yeah, you like Lamborghini, okay. Definitely, yeah.
Hey, what are you doing in my car?
Oh, excuse me, sorry, I was trying to get the service. Sorry. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. Okay? Hi everyone. Today we are going to see Lamborghini Museum and also we are going to have a ride on this Lamborghini Huracan car. Let's see how it is so you can have an idea how Lamborghini is. Hey guys, my name is Asanga and Ray. Hello. Brian. So we are going to see the Lamborghini Museum now and also a ride of this Lamborghini car. Ferruccio Lamborghini was the founder of Lamborghini company. At the beginning he was producing tractors and he could easily afford a Ferrari car. So while he was driving his Ferrari, he got a maintenance defect. So then he went to the Ferrari company and he was trying to explain what was the defect that he faced. And then they didn't accept what he was trying to tell to the company. Then what he thought to produce a Lamborghini car, that means his own supercar.
Alright guys, so now we're here in Lamborghini Museum. Just look at the bull. It's beautiful. It's amazing. The bull is strong, it's aggressive and it's ready to come and run fast. You know? Just look at it. This is the 350 GT. One of the first productions and I really love this place. I'm here and I don't want to go out because to each car, which is unique, which is amazing, and I just don't want to leave. It's amazing. Let's have a look at the next one. Alright guys, so now we have got Miura in front of us. This is really special because first of all it's second production of Lamborghini after 350 GT. And the second reason it's beautiful and makes this car special because after this car only Lamborghini became really famous. So just have a look at it. It looks absolutely amazing because it has got the as you can see the logo of Lamborghini's bull, and the name of this Miura is also dedicated from the bull which comes from Spain in the region Andalusia. Just look at it. You've got the eyes, you have got the mouth right underneath, I don't know if you can see or not, and you have got the ears of the bull as well. Fast, aggressive and powerful. I just love it.
Actually, this was my dream car in my childhood because of the doors are coming up, you know, that's why.
Yeah, actually the name Contage is a dialogue word from Torino.
Torino.
In Torino, in their dialect language, in Torino, contact, you know what it means? Wow! Why?
It's wow.
Because it is wow. When the doors open upwards, that's where it's like wow, and that's my favorite part. And the reason they put the doors to go upwards and instead of sideways, to open upwards and instead of sideways, is because it's only 1 meter and 7 centimeters. So it would have been really difficult for people to get inside and get outside. That's why. And it is like wow, I love it.
Come right, get in. I drop you guys.
Let's go.
So guys, this is the first SUV which was produced by Lamborghini in the year of 1986. So when we look at the vehicle, like you can see it gives a military look. It was targeted like the Middle East community, and they produced 300 pieces out of this vehicle. So let's check out the vehicle now itself.
Okay guys, from Lamborghini Museum, Denisa is here. She is going to explain about these two cars here. So Denisa, can you please explain me a little bit about these cars?
So here we have two Diablos, the most iconic Lamborghini from the 90s. Here this Diablo is the Diablo GTR.
GTR, right?
So the one for racing.
Yeah.
Here we have Sanna, is the pilot that today is working with us actually.
Oh really?
Yes.
Still working with Lamborghini?
Still working with us, yes.
Alright.
So this is the Diablo GT, so the one for normal roads.
Okay.
Here you can see we have the opening of the doors.
Yeah.
Those are scissor doors. We are going to have those scissor doors every time the Lamborghini is a V12 engine.
Alright.
Here, let
So
me show you.
when there is a V12 engine, always
Scissor doors.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
Let me show you the interiors.
Yeah.
Here we have a super sport car. We have a lot of carbon fiber. With carbon fiber, the car is really light. We have the sport seat with Alcantara.
Okay.
And then this is the last Lamborghini with the gearbox.
Alright.
After that, so starting with the Murcielago, we are going to have the paddle shift
Paddles.
yes,
Underneath the
on the steering wheel.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Cool. Thank you very much,
You're
Denisa.
very welcome.
Lamborghini Museum has 2 floors. One is the ground floor, which has like all cars, and then all the latest cars in the upstairs. Let's walk and see. Brian, let's walk.
Yeah.
So in Lamborghini Museum, I found one of the car lover called Peter from Switzerland, and yeah, nice to meet you, Mr. Peter. So, sir, what do you know about this Lamborghini and how you became a car lover?
Yes, thank you very much. It's a pleasure to meet you here at the Museum of Lamborghini, and it's a pleasure to be quickly on your spot. We are a group of 4 people. We call ourselves the Fata 4 Cars Group. It's a hobby, and we met each other about 30 years ago.
All right.
And we started to love sports cars, and we invested heavily in sports cars, and especially in Italian cars.
Yeah.
And today we are here at Lamborghini. So excuse myself, it's a Ferrari badge, but later on we will be at Ferrari. And the Lamborghini is special. Why? Especially the model of the Diablo is special. And we see here, possibly you can come with the camera quickly to have a tiny little shot of this very nice Lamborghini Diablo GT. We are lucky enough to have one of these cars in our collection, which is the Diablo GT. in a silver with a black leather. Only 2 pieces around the globe in this specification. And overall we have, Lamborghini have made 80 Diablo GT. Nowadays, very special.
And it has manual gearbox. Right?
Is a manual gearbox, is a real Lamborghini, it feels like Lamborghini, it tastes like Lamborghini, and it drives like a Lamborghini.
Yes.
Very nice.
Good experience with in the row.
Yes, very good experience in the row. And then from there we bought different more Lamborghinis like the Murcielago.
Yeah, and do you have any idea about this Astrion and HURCAN?
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
So the Astrion is a kind of prototype. It's a kind of prototype, which was never really in production.
Yeah.
And then the HURCAN, the Performante, at the moment is the brand new model with a very, very good performance to drive the car.
Yeah.
Then the Urus, the Lamborghini Urus, you see the yellow one.
Latest SUV model.
Is the latest SUV model, very nicely to drive.
Yeah.
But unfortunately got only a V8. I would love to have a V12.
V12, yeah.
Yes, even if everybody is driving electro in the future, I think I will die before everybody is driving the electro. So I like the real carbureted engines. The real engines, manual gearbox.
Then you will have the real feeling of driving a car.
And especially a Lamborghini.
Yes.
Then possibly here over there, you see the Lamborghini Veneno. It's also a very special car based on the Aventador. Only a few pieces around the world. And here in this section you see quite a lot of prototypes, quite a lot of specific cars like the Centenario. The Centenario is also very, very special.
Yeah, it has more carbon fiber mix body.
Yes,
right?
And was also a limited edition on a very high entry price, and only few customers got the car. Because this is also a part of the story. To get a specific Lamborghini, you have to have a standing within the company to get the car. It's not only always about the money, it's about the passion, it's about the love, different option, and let's say your own track record with the company. Yes. And finally, to wrap that up, I would like to say thank you to you and to you for your audience here. It's great to be on TV back home in your place. It was really a pleasure.
Thank you very much, Mr. Peter.
It's absolutely stunning, great.
And lovely to hear like such things about the supercar. With your experience, with your passion and all sort of things.
Exactly, because you are having Lamborghini cars and many more. So like you have the real experience, like truly how the sports cars are.
Yeah, exactly. So you
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure.
Thank you. Thank you.
Cheers.
Okay guys, now we are going to ride the Lambo. Let's see how the ride will be. Okay? It's an awesome ride. Wow. Okay guys, it's awesome experience to ride a Lamborghini. It's awesome. I have no word to say. It's a great experience. I drive this super fast and it's really smooth. So you can come and you can experience the same thing and you will really enjoy it. I'm pretty sure you will really enjoy it. It's awesome. Please do subscribe the channel and get ready for the next video.
And if you guys have any suggestions, do comment below and put thumbs up.
And if you like to purchase the Lamborghini museum tickets or have a Lamborghini test drive, please check out the links below.
Yes, see you on next video.